Good morning, welcome to our channel Just Electronics. In this video, I will just show you this RFID based attendance system. The previous video I uploaded, this one is the only this server basis. You just put this attendance and download the CSV file, and you easy to track all this student data. But in this system, we put this one GSM module. When the student put this attendance, the GSM sending this text SMS to this particular mobile number. You just find out this the student will be present or not. This one is a very useful project, and if you want all this data like code, circuit diagram, and brief explanation, just you go to this Git link and you download all this data. The link available in this video description. If you want, then please check out. Now I show this hardware. I put all this component in a box, and I open this box and show all this hardware, which hardware I used in this project. See, I use the ESP32 Microcontroller board, SIM800l GSM Module, LM2596 step down converter, one piezo buzzer, and this one is the push button to on and off system. And I use this external antenna to better signal. This one is the 16:2 LCD display and RC552 RFID module and few tag. This one is the 12 volt 2 ampere power supply I given to this box. These are the all hardware of this project. Now I put this proper. This one is the circuit diagram. I follow it. Okay, now see this working of this project. First, I connected to this 12 volt 2 ampere power supply male jack to female. And see, the LCD will display RFID way attendance installation. Is getting this power up, and now the Wi-Fi will be connected. Is given this one IP address is 192.168.0.102. Now I enter this IP address in our Chrome browser and search it. Is display RFID attendance system, current date and time. Now I click this view attendance. Okay, now I tab. This one is the tag for one student. I tap here and is display Rahul Panchin and date and time. After the few seconds, the server will be update, and see, you receive this SMS also. This text SMS. The GSM will be sending this proper text SMS. Hello Rahul Panchin and recorded proper date and time. Also the server will be updated. UID, name, punch time, punch out time will be not display, and date, which day will be available, and late is the student will be late or not. You set this time in a code, and that's why you just find out this the person the student will be late coming or not. Okay, now I scan the second tag. See, the LCD will display this name and punch time, and after the few seconds the GSM sending this text SMS. See, the SMS will be received. Also the server will be updated. Okay, suppose if I putting this unauthorized card, if we not enter this card, then the LCD will display UID not found, access denied. It's not allowed to this do the attendance. Okay, now I will scan the same student card. This punch out. See, the LCD will display seeing punch out and proper time. The punch out SMS will be also received with the help of this text. This GSM through. See, we receive this SMS, and the server will be update this punch out time. Now I scan this first person card is Rahul, punch out. After the few seconds, the GSM sending this text SMS. See, the SMS will be received and the server will be updated. Okay, these are this example of this daily based attendance system. Suppose if you want to this product, then the link available in this video description, you directly buy it. Otherwise, if you have any inquiry, then please comment below. I will try to solve your problem. Okay, now thank you for watching. Have a nice day.